Three important parts of any presentation. Number one, start of the presentation, middle part of the presentation, and end of the presentation. All three important parts of the presentations are important. Just relate with a movie. आप मूवी देखते हैं, there is an introduction of that movie, of the characters of that movie, right? Next is the middle part of the movie, जो detail में चलता है, कहानी चलती है उसमें, right? And the end is always with some climax. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you don't feel good, sometimes you do not know what happened at the end of the movie. So our presentation is exactly like that, right? Start with your introduction or what you want to share in that particular presentation. Middle part should include your stories, some pointers, detailed information, and you can explain more about what do you want to explain then for each bullet pointers. And end should be very strong and should summarize what you told in the whole presentation. Try this and you are going to be really rocking in the next presentation. All the very best. See you in the next video.